Hi there, I'm Mary Beth Cryan of crochetwithmarybeth.com. Today I'm going to show you how to tackle that nasty leaning picot. We're going to get him to stand up straight whether he wants to or not. So here you can see I've crocheted a couple rows of single crocheted a couple over from the corner. Now I'm ready to start my picot, and this is going to be a picot that sits on a chain. So I'm going to chain 3, then start the picot. 1, 2, 3, slip stitch, chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3. We're going to skip 2 and single crochet right in this guy right here, and I'm just going to crochet over a couple so we can take a look, see what we have here. So we have a picot, but he's definitely slouchy. Yes, he's slouching to the left, and my mom would definitely yell at him to sit up straight. So how do we get him to sit up straight? Here's the trick right here. Only crochet 2 on this side, then start your picot. 1, 2, 3, slip stitch, skip 2, and we are still chaining 3 on this side, and single crocheting in here. Now let me single crochet a couple so we can take a look at these bad boys, see what we have. What do we got? We have 1 picot with excellent posture, and we have 1 leaning slouchy picot. So remember, if you don't want a slouchy picot, 1 less chain on this side. Chain 2, chain 3. I hope that helps.